everybody, Matt Pasma here with DDL's Product and Materials team. Talk to you today about some of the non-interconnectability testing and requirements for different 80369 as well as the AAMI CN27 testing standard for lure activated valves. So non-interconnectability is a physical test where we're trying to mate together two small bore connectors that aren't supposed to mate. So if I take a lure from 80369-7 and I'm trying to mate it with an 80369-6 neuraxial connector, try to force them together using 70 newtons of axial force along with 15 newton centimeters of torque. And what that does is we try to mate them together, and if they don't and they come apart, there's no issues. We're showing that they're not compatible. If they connect, we can run a leakage test on them to show that they are going to leak and that there was not a good connection. So that's the physical way. The other way we can run this testing is that there is a dimensional inspection, as well as then you compare your dimensional inspections to all the different possibilities of connectors that it might see. So if I have a catheter with a 80369-7 female lure on it, I'm going to take that part and I'm going to compare all the dimensions to an 80369-3-6-5 connector to make sure that they're not going to mate incidentally and cause issues in the field. So that's one of the requirements. It's a dimensional inspection as well as non-interconnectability. Along with that comes a requirement for a minimum material. A material requirement is just 700 megapascals. So the material needs to be a semi-rigid material. It can't be too soft where you can force the two connectors together. What that does is it's going to make sure that they don't connect and that there isn't an incidental connection while in an operating room or out in the field somewhere where all these products are being used. So if you have questions about non-interconnectability testing when it relates to 80369 or the AAMI CN27 standard, please reach out to us at ddltesting.com. Have one of our engineers answer any of the questions you may have for us. So hope everybody has a great rest of their day.